Hello everyone, I am at Mahabaleshwar right now and I am driving towards Mahabaleshwar, which is a vast plateau in Maharashtra. It is 285 kilometers from Mumbai and it is located in Satara district. So Mahabaleshwar reaches the height of 1439 meters and its highest peak is known as Wilson or Sunrise Point, but Kalsubai Peak is the highest peak in the Sahyadri Mountains. Hey guys, I'm at Mahabaleshwar and I'll be taking you for a ride right now. So Mahabaleshwar is a hill station in Sahyadri Mountains, which is very close to Mumbai, and it is a beautiful hill station. So let me show you around. Are you ready? So the first place I visited was this go-karting area. So this is an adventure zone which is very famous in Mahabaleshwar. So there are many places where there are go-karting as well as paintball activities going on. So I decided to do this on the first day of my visit. I had gone for 2 days over here, and on the first day itself, in the evening, I decided to go to this adventure zone and for go-karting. So go-karting is a type of open wheel car or quadricycle and are driven on tracks specially made for it. So look around you, this is an amazing go-karting track and I decided to try my hand on it. So have you all done go-karting before? Let me know in the comment section. So here goes my turn to go-kart and it was an amazing thing to do. It's awesome. I tried it 3 or 4 times. So now was the turn for paintball guys, and paintball is a competitive team shooting sport in which players eliminate opponents from play by hitting them with spherical dye-filled gelatin capsules called paintballs that break on impact. So what we have to do is they give us rifles and we have to shoot our opponent team, and we have to see to it that our team wins. So we have to wear this costume where we look like soldiers, and it's an amazing thing. You really feel so great when you do all this, and it's an amazing feeling guys. You should do it at least once in your lifetime. I always love to play paintball, but you need a big team for it. So even if you don't have a big team, you can collect people around you and convince them to go for paintball, and it's really exciting. It's really thrilling to shoot your opponents. It's a little painful too if you really get shot, but you should see to it that you hide yourself and keep on shooting your opponent. So over here I succeeded in shooting my opponents, but I did not win. I was not able to touch the pole which was set in between. The task was to touch the pole which was set in between the ground, but I could not do that because they were shooting a lot and even I was shooting. So even they couldn't touch the pole, neither could I, and the paintballs, the bullets were over. So the rifles are laden with bullets filled with colors, and we have to take all the bullets on us either or shoot bullets on them and color them up. But it's a little painful, mind you, but it's a fun game and it's really thrilling. But only adults can play this, kids cannot play this game, so you can go for it. I would really suggest this game for all of you, and it's really fun to play. take a look at my team. This is my paintball team. So further I went driving ahead because I wanted to explore more. I have come to Mahabaleshwar many times, but every time it feels so new. So here I am at Hirkani. I am having some strawberry and cream, which is really famous in Mahabaleshwar, and it's a must. You should eat this when you're at Mahabaleshwar because Mahabaleshwar is really famous for its strawberries. So here I am having my bite, and it's very tasty. It's very cold in Mahabaleshwar, but still I don't know, it feels so amazing to have this ice cream over here, and I've never missed this out ever in my life. Every time I go to Mahabaleshwar I do eat it. And here I'm back to my resort. So my resort was a small cozy little place. It was not very costly. I did my bookings at the very last minute, but I got this cozy place and it was not costly. That's the main thing. And it was not really big, but it had all the amenities in it, and we had this wonderful bonfire which I really loved because it was so cold. In Mumbai it was 32 degrees, but in Mahabaleshwar it was around 18 degrees at night. During the day it was around 22 degrees, so I really enjoyed it. So the next morning I saw all the flowers bloom, the bees buzzing here and there, birds chirping. It was a wonderful morning and I really loved it. All the flowers are looking so pretty. So look at this, I had my amazing breakfast and I decided to go for a walk inside my resort. And look at this, the grass is looking so amazing. It was calling me for a walk and I decided to take an amazing morning walk, looking around for birds and soaking up the sun. So the pool was closed because of COVID and I could not take a dip in the pool even though I had bought all the swimming costume and everything, but it was a waste. Then I went out again in the morning. And here I am having these mulberries. Having mulberries is really good for your health, so that's why I decided to have mulberries. And then next I was here at this Evi's World theme park, and here it is a beautiful theme park. It's a new place I guess because before I have never seen this. And over here there are various stuff to do, various different things, like there is a selfie point, jungle safari, but I decided not to go into the selfie point and all these places because I don't find it really exciting. But if you all want to go, I have taken this clip where you can see the cost and you all can decide to go if you all want. It's a beautifully made place with all these stuff, hanging around with birds and insects and animals. So there is this place where in the jungle safari where dinosaurs and all are kept. So you can go in. So this is the entry point into the jungle safari area and the selfie point area, which you can enter this mouth of this guy, and that's the entry point. So don't get scared. The other side is really safe and it's really beautiful. That's what people were saying. But the main reason why I had come here was for this, and it was for Kingberry strawberry wine. I wanted to buy this, so it's available at this place. So I decided to buy this strawberry wine because I've never tasted strawberry wine before and I wanted to taste it. So here I am at Kingberry and here I am entering the place. So I bought a bottle of wine for myself, and there were a lot of different types of honey as well as organic turmeric which I bought. And look at this, I am standing with actor Aamir Khan and I took a selfie with him. So you even can eat your meal over here. There are various lunch options kept over here as well as snacks. You can have it at the restaurant at Kingberry, and there is a strawberry plucking session too over here. You can pay over here and you can pluck strawberries. So as many strawberries as you pluck, you can buy them if you want to. So the next place which I had gone was Mapro Shopping and Food Mall. So this is a wonderful place. This place too is pretty new, because a few years back when we had gone over here, it was not there. Car, it is made of strawberries. So this car might be used for picking up strawberries. Transportation, isn't it wonderful? Look at this. This belongs to Mapro. This car belongs to Mapro. So this was a place which had a small park with fishes swimming in this pool over here. They have made a wonderful park over here with lots of flowers, amazing trees. And there is a beautiful restaurant located over here, amazing park, amazing greenery, and lots of flowers, and a good place to roam around with your friends, your family, your kids, and a beautiful place to sit and eat in the evening. So here again you get a lot of ice creams and stuff, and pizzas and burgers and french fries. So whatever is your choice, you can sit down over here at this cool, wonderful, amazing, nice, shady place and have whatever you feel like eating. Look at this place around. So this is a field where you can pick strawberries, as well as you even get to see how they are grown. So all these amazing things happen over here in Mahabaleshwar, and you cannot miss this for anything, guys. You have to come here, you have to visit this place and experience the beauty of this place. So come to Mahabaleshwar and have the strawberry and cream just like me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.